I'm in the clouds right now. There's no visibility. Yeah, the boys.
भाई लोग दारू पीते हैं इधर पहुंचने के लिए, हम ऐसे ही चल के आ गए यार.
क्यों बनाया होगा फिर उधर? ऐसे बनाया होगा इसलिए मेरे को ब्लॉग में नहीं लेते तेरे बोल.
It's almost 8 o'clock. We left from my home back in Mangalore at around 5, I guess, 5:30, and we reached here. We came to my country town, my hometown. We reached here at around 6, I guess. 6, not 6. We reached at 6:30, 6:37. Yeah. It's 8 o'clock right now. We are cooking. Not me. We bought only rice and we bought 2 parcels. We're too tired to cook right now. Yeah, the boys.
Boys number 1. D Dhanush.
Boys.
Boy number 2. Hari Kiran. Boy number 3. Abhishek Sharma.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय
And
ब्लॉग.
boy number
That guy, that
Narottam Meena.
Maheshpati. Our Dhanush is making. What are you making?
Egg burji. Egg burji.
Recipe.
Onion. First oil. Onion. Tomato. Chili. And egg. And yellow color. This thing. Turmeric. Salt. Chopping by.
Chopping done by.
Hey guys, welcome back to the brand new videos, guys. What is up, guys? Today we are in Sandy party here.
This is what we cooked.
We cooked rice,
White rice.
white rice. Thanks to this guy, beautiful guy.
Sambar from hotel, okay?
Sambar from hotel.
This
And
is egg burji.
This is egg burji that we cooked.
This is kebab.
Kebab. He's
This
only
is-
gonna eat this.
Sprite. Chakna.
No daru.
Pickle.
Pickle is important. And the last,
Oh my god, the beauty.
Carry.
gobi
Gobi
manchuri. Gobi manchuri.
Shubharatri. Guys, welcome back to the brand new video, guys. We are with your Sanjay party and here with the Hari party. And who the fuck is this guy? I don't even know his name. This guy is Dhanush Manarian. We are here with fucking rice, and we are about to have rice with some hand like that. And now that is the sambar. Sambar is bought from the heaven, and this guy is the beggar here because he is being fed without paying anything. Now I am the real beggar without any food, so life is tough. With that theory, that guy is in depression. Okay, one more beggar here. Look at the beggar, the beautiful face of our beggars here. Face might be beautiful, but their hearts are ugly, so that is not a problem. Okay, what about my food? What about my food? Okay, good. बस थोड़ा सा और. Oh yeah, baby.
Good morning. Right now we are going on a bike ride. I don't know where, but these boys are taking me to a bike ride. It's morning, 6:45. We woke up at around 6. Yeah, let's go. we just had a small breakfast. Where are we right now? Karkala.
Bajagoli. What say again?
Bajagoli.
We are at Bajagoli. It's almost gonna take again 2 hours. We drove bike for almost an hour and to reach where we are going. We're going to Kudremukh, by the way. Certain plans. We came to the check post now. Just got inside the Kudremukh National Park.
Welcome to Kudremukh.
What a beautiful view. Burtipul. Dhanush.
India.
Burtipul.
Butipul.
गांडो तू बचपन पीस
Can you see the falls behind me? It is called Kadambi Falls.
and can you see the people behind this? This is रिश्तेदार
Abhishek का रिश्तेदार. Abhishek इसका रिश्तेदार. Thank you.
Yeah, we stopped here for a while.
इतना व्लॉग करेगा 600 में पक्का आएगा
We stopped here for a while. Pannu.
फिर से रीटेक नो रीटेक
Next retake.
This is one temple of Ganapati, and yeah, this is the view. And that is your YouTuber Sanjay Foxy Era.
सुंदर इंसान. We are walking towards the Ghanijeri. We couldn't actually bring our bikes up till here. So now we are going up.
Look at the vlog, look at the eating bird. It's absolute. Yes, my God. Look at the vlog, look at the eating bird. Look at the absolute. Gee. My.
Hit out.
We don't even know where the fuck are we. This looks really awkward. Bro, look at that. Look at behind. Bro, look behind. It's bonkers. Bro, we are in the clouds, bro. Help me. I'm in the clouds. Look at this. The clouds coming to us.
We are at Rani Jeri right now. There is the peak, and this goes almost 1.5 kilometers down.
This goes to a devil's home, and from devil's home we go to heaven.
And that is the actual peak of the Rani Jeri.
Okay. That one is the actual
That's the
peak.
actual
Okay.
peak, and we have. It's not even visible right now because of the clouds.
Okay.
There's the actual peak of the mountain, Rani Jeri. That's the way you need to go. You can see a little bit of visibility. It goes up till almost here. That's the peak. See the clouds. The camera doesn't do any justice, but this place is actually really beautiful. The last time I came here, I came on January, if I'm not wrong. January, yeah, at the end of the January. And there were no clouds when I did come. I came almost at the same time, if I'm not wrong. 12 o'clock. Now it's almost 2. It's almost 2 o'clock. Wow. There's no visibility. You can see nothing. And we're tired.
2 o'clock is when you can't even see the sun. You can't trace the sun at all. Where is the sun? There is no sun here. Oh my god. There's a son of a bitch though.
We thought of staying here and waiting for the clouds to clear all the way, but the clouds came back again, and we're going back. It's almost 2:20, and are we staying or are we going?
Yes, we are staying. Guys, we are staying. Ornadu
Unplanned trips,
are always the
best trips. Narottam Meena. You can see it cleared a little bit, but again, it's almost like this. Just like this. Oh my god. The situation right now is a bit of messed up because we don't know what we are doing. And going back, it's gonna take almost 3 to 4 hours to get back. So probably we are staying. We are all tired. And we woke up at 6. We're all sleepy. No, we're all tired. Way too much tired, to be honest. This is where our bike actually slipped, and we couldn't bring any further from here, and we had to call the way up. We walked almost 500, 600, not more than 1 kilometer, but it was a worth it view. Rani Jeri. I have been here, but this time it was full of clouds, so couldn't actually show anything. I'll put any photos if I have photos of last time when I came. I do have photos. Waterfall!
Very good.
We can swim over here.
The waterfall.
We'll call Doraemon for a small light.
Yeah, no, big light. The big light.
Why big light? Small light. We need to become small.
Okay. Oh, we have to become small. Okay.
Small light.
Then we have to make our underwear small as well. Okay.
Where did we come now?
Kodake Falls.
Kodake Falls.
It's below
Below?
Rani Jeri.
Yeah.
And we have to pay around 30 rupees for this thing.
Entry
fees.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. That's all. Let's see what will happen.
Yes. Private property.
Trespassing prohibited.
Trespassing is prohibited. and now it's time for bhaji. These are, what are these?
This was chili bhajis.
Chili bhajis.
Bonda. Yes, only used for bondas.
Not bad.
Danush ordered Maggi. How's the taste, bro?
Subtitles got.
Sharma ji. शर्मा जी दाढ़ी निकल आया.
And Abhishek.
Ladies, gentlemen, and to the people who come to sightseeing and waterfalls like this, please don't litter the places. I've seen many people throwing packets of laces and kurkures, the plastic of it. Please don't do it, or else don't come to these places. We are done with the waterfalls and now we are heading back to our place. We are at the check post right now. We are wearing double clothing because it's way too cold. You can see. And this guy is wearing a raincoat and he's also wearing a raincoat and he's wearing a shirt. I want a shirt. We're gonna enter the guard section now, and it's gonna be way too cold up there. We're gonna enter Kudremukh National Park, and we might see a few elephants, tigers, deer.
Mainly cows on the road.
Cows on the road. Oh, thick cows on the road. Okay. I'll catch you on the other side. It was 7 p.m. when we entered the Kudremukh National Park. The thing that was actually stressing me out on the first place was it was pitch black roads, and the only thing that we could see in our bare eyes was through our bike headlight. That's it. We couldn't see anything further through it, and there are no street lights. If you're wondering, it's because it's a forest, and there are electricity connections, but there are no street lights. Also thing is there are also wild animals because it's a forest area, the Kudremukh forest area. There are wild animals, and thankfully we didn't encounter any of them, but we did see many cows all over the road, and it's also a bit scary while riding on a bike because you don't see them until you go near them because it's also always pitch black, and the bike LED light, that's not enough to fully make the road visible. It's not enough, LED in the bike. And it was also a bit cold weather, and we were wearing double clothing. After almost 3 hours ride, we reached back at 10 p.m. around 10 p.m. and we went to the nearby store, bought a few vegetables and paneer and pre-cooked chapatis. You just need to bake them, and chapatis are ready. Those chapatis, we bought them. And we made paneer curry, and my Danush, she also made some chicken kebab. He made them.
Danush, Mummy Kitchen. सुपर सीनियर है तू, याद रख, ऐसे बच्चों से डर मत। ठंडी में आया
Had our dinner at around 1:30 or 2, I guess. So it was one hell of a day, and don't be like us. Don't go to Kudremukh without any proper riding gear. Like we were on our slippers. Even I was on my slippers going to Kudremukh in a bike, and we didn't have any proper riding gear or stuff. Even I was wearing my track pants. I didn't even bring my jeans. So whenever we go to long rides, it was almost 300 kilometers ride, if I'm not wrong. 282 something kilometers we covered in one day. Up and down. I'm talking. So have a riding gear when you're going. Don't be like us. it's not a problem if you are good drivers, riders, and if you be safe. If you don't go over the speed limits of 100 plus, then it's good. And but recommended to, when I go through the guard sections, be slow and don't overtake during the turns. And if your vehicle is coming, you don't overtake, you're going to crash into it. Some precautions you need to take and be careful. And we also slipped in a place, and while going to Rani Jeri, bike actually couldn't go up, so we had to park our bike and walk. But it's not a problem. It was barely a kilometer, I guess. Yeah, it was a good day. Rani Jeri was really beautiful. First time I'm seeing Rani Jeri full of clouds. Last time I visited, it wasn't full of clouds. And we also visited a waterfall. It is called Kodage Falls, if I'm not wrong. Kodage something falls. And it was a really good falls. I would definitely visit over there again. I'm planning on visiting again on December, coming month. But I don't know when. But I'll definitely visit over there again. All the Kudremukh. We'll stay there definitely, not like this. And we'll go in car, not in bike, because we didn't have proper bikes. We had a Splendor, we had a Hornet, and we had a Extreme 125R. All those three are not off-roading bikes, and there are not long touring bikes. I had back pain and leg pain. My whole body was aching when I came back. So even the waterfall was good, and you have to do a bit of off-roading to go to the waterfall. That's the reason why I said have a proper bike if you're going to places like this. And good thing we all know good riding, and all five of us, we know good riding skills. We have good riding skills. That's why we went. And those are not like plain roads, they're like rocks. So, and the waterfall, it was really cold. The water in that, it was freezing cold. When we entered, we were shivering. And sorry, I don't have any footage because my action camera actually ran out of battery, and I didn't have any power banks. I need to get a power bank ASAP, because all of our phones also were about to die before we actually reached. But we knew the road, so it wasn't a problem. It's not a big problem. But if you're going on a long tour where you don't know the roads and stuff, then you definitely need a power bank. So invest in a power bank. I would definitely invest one ASAP. Thank you for watching. It was a really good day. It was a really good vlog as well. And much more to come. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.